Good morning. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. We're going to do a repeat today. We're doing Row, Row, Row Your Boat. This is illustrated by Annie Kubler. We've read this book about a lot of times this morning already. Let's just say that. All right. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Rock, rock, rock your boat gently down the stream. And if you see a crocodile, do you crocodile? Don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. And if you see a lion, don't forget to roar. Yay! Yay! Okay, you want to read it again. What about this one? No? Okay. You gonna sing? Whoa, whoa, whoa your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. We have a street cleaner. Truck. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Yeah, so he's cleaning the streets. Or she, we don't know. Rock. Beep, beep. They probably don't want to see us read this book again. Look, you want to do the crocodile though? If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. And row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. If you see a lion, don't forget to roar. That's it? Okay. You want to say goodbye? Say bye-bye. Give kiss, kiss.